What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Whitney and today we're going to show you how to clean using CORTEC 422. Let's get started.
Now what is CORTEC 422? CORTEC 422 is a biodegradable rust remover. This product is environmentally friendly and does not require storage in a flammable field cabinet. It is great at removing rust from the flange face or any other bright metal finish. And CORTEC 422 will prevent flash rust after cleaning. We're going to show you how well this rust remover works on this piece of rusty steel. First, we start by spraying 422 directly onto the rust and letting it sit for a few minutes. Next, we go in with our score pad to begin to scrub off the rust. If your metal is super rusty like ours, you can always apply more CORTEC 422 and let it sit for even longer. After scrubbing, we wipe the residue off and our steel bar is now nice and clean.
Alright guys, that's it. Make sure when you're in the field using cleaners, you're always following HSE safety guidelines. See you next week!